go forward.
Wow, that's fancy. This is the lift at B block. Oh, the arrow works. Is there a phone in there? Yep, there's a phone in there. This is an Evans lift. It's very nice. It's hydraulic. This is the lift at L block. Oh, this is a big one.
Door closed.
Oh, there's the indicator. Capacity 20 persons, 1800 kilos. It's an unknown lift. It's got 90s Leicester.
Ground floor.
Indicators in the back there.
Door open. Door closing.
There's no name. Doesn't say what lift it is. It's an unknown lift. It's got Leicester. It's got 90s Leicester.
Floor 2. Doors opening.
This is the C block lift. Capacity 23 persons, 1725 kilos. It's another unknown lift. Oh, door closes when I press the button, I like that. It's got instant door close. Cab's nice.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Doors opening. Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
This one's an Apollo with Leicester.
Doors opening.
No, it's not working. Not working. This is Block F. Lifts, we've got more Leicesters. This one's got antibacterial though. We got this one.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
This one's a classic with Leicester controls. This one's got antibacterial Dewhurst. It's a set of 2 lifts with a staff only small lift, which is the same.
Floor 5. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Doors opening.
Please proceed with payment or scan your blue badge barcode below. Thank you for your payment. Please take your receipt.
Thank you for visiting Epsom Hospital. Please drive safely.